Alright, y'all, day 2 of KetoCon. We're gonna get a quick clip of every single vendor. So, here we go.
Hey guys, we're here at the Sated booth. We're a nutritionally complete full meal replacement shake designed around the keto diet. Each serving has 2.5 net carbs, and yeah, come get sated.
And they're awesome. Alright, y'all, you've heard me talk about this place before. We got the founder right here.
What's happening, guys?
Peely Nuts.
How you doing, man?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Where can people go to find out more about you?
EatPeelyNuts.com. Peely Hunters is the name of our company. Come check us out. We got a hookup. We'll give a deal to your guys' folks. Keto Savage.
Keto Savage, 10% off. It's amazing. Amazing, amazing. All right, so Parm Crisps.
What's up, guys?
What's going on?
We're Parm Crisps, 100% cheese, the carbless cracker. Got
delicious.
no carbs in it and 9 grams of protein. 3 flavors, jalapeno, sesame, and original. We got some new ones coming out this year. Make sure to check out some Parm Crisps. Perfect thing for the keto diet.
Awesome. All right, here we are.
So yeah, we're Outer Gourmet. We are real cauliflower pizza crust and sandwich thins made with cauliflower, Parmesan cheese, and eggs. So naturally low in carbs and plant-based. Our website is www.outerislegourmet.com.
And they're delicious. All right, well, here we are at the Keto Evangelist booth.
Hey, welcome to Keto Evangelist. This is the Keto Evangelist booth. We've got some ballistic keto MCT powders here. You can drop in your coffee, whiz it up, and get a nice fatty coffee. We're at ketoevangelist.com. We do a lot of coaching with Keto Evangelist. This is Coach Michelin. I'm Coach Kimmy. It's really nice to see you here today.
Thank you. Here we are at Keto Sports. What we got?
Hi there. So we have our complete line of ketogenic supplement products. We have everything from exogenous ketones to ketogenic cooking oil, MCT, C8. We kind of do it all in hopes of just helping everybody support this lifestyle and really be successful at it.
And where do they go to find you?
Ketosports.com.
Matt and Mega, the crew,
up, guys?
checking out. Who's your favorite booth so far? I guess y'all in the Keto Sports booth.
They're in the best booth.
They're in the best booth.
We're actually doing our top 10, and you might have made
Keto
it.
Bricks on the top 10.
Oh, we got
It might be top 5.
We're saving that one for last. All right, here we are at MCT Bar. What we got?
How's it going, everyone? We are MCT Company, and this is MCT Bar. We are a meal replacement bar with 4.7 grams of MCT oil and 15 grams of protein, and we hope that everyone out there loves it. Go ahead and give us a try.
Awesome.
No, we're not doing that. Not doing that? Everybody for minutes at a time. Yeah. If you do that. It's
I don't even know if I can jump that high.
Oh, here. I'll pull it out when you're up there.
All right, cool. I heard twist too, huh?
Yes, that's the challenge. All you gotta do is 60 seconds.
All right, we got this. Ready? 60 seconds.
But if you're feeling strong, minute 23 is the record.
Little abs here too.
There we go.
You got this?
Do you want me to get all
20
60?
seconds. 20 seconds.
Maybe not.
How many people have done it? About 12? Yesterday?
Yeah, about 12.
12 people done it the regular way.
This is what you pay for wearing the lifting straps all the time.
You got this. You're at 40 seconds. 45. Oh, we're there. Getting there. We're getting there.
Wow, you're making it look easy though.
We have 10 seconds left.
8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Got it.
Woo!
Nice job, man. On 5. Good work, dude. What's up, guys? So my name's Trevor White. Adam Hancock. We're founders of Nomadic Keto. We've built a business that makes keto on the go really easy, really efficient. Travel packs, travel safe, so travel efficiency. C8 powder. C8 powder.
Yep. And so single serve C8 powder. Just quick, easy. We don't flavor. Just it's on a bed of acacia fiber.
They got a really cool story. I'm gonna get them on the podcast too.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
Yeah,
awesome.
love to, yeah.
All right, so I ran into a few strangers here. Who we got? Check it out, check it out. I'm about to get a podcast with both these gents because they're both making waves.
Because it's been too long, man.
Been way too long. Everybody knows Logan. This guy's got a cool story about
he's the cancer killer, baby.
Cancer killer on keto. And then of course everybody knows this guy.
I do the same thing he does. We just eat a lot of steak and lift a lot of weight, so it's not gonna be that interesting.
Yeah,
but
we'll just talk about eating steak and lifting weights, you know. So it's good. So stay tuned for all this to come because there's a lot to come.
It's gonna be fire.
It's gonna be.
Wish you guys
on
were
fire.
here, man.
We're having fun. We're having fun.
We are having fun.
Catch you later.
Gotta love it.
All right, y'all. F-bomb. We know where we're at now.
Thank you, Robert. F-bomb, natural nut butter, high-fat, low-carbohydrate snacks with nothing added.
Fbomb.com, droppingfbomb.com.
Droppingfbomb.com or on Amazon.
Amazon. And look at that rig. Beats my van.
Welcome to the Perfect Keto booth. This is our 22 babies. I love them all the same. This is the Perfect Keto nut butter and the micronutrient greens powder. A lot of people are short on fruits and starchy vegetables when they go keto, so that's the supplement for that.
That's this one right there, right? The green one? I haven't tried that one. Is it pretty good?
Oh, it's fully loaded, that's for sure. It tastes like a green drink.
I'm gonna check it out, man.
This is the exogenous ketone base. That's just to boost ketone levels. I use it before working or before a workout. MCT oil powder.
I do love those.
Just mixed with acacia fiber, and it's all 100% from coconuts. This is the Perform pre-workout. It's got a little MCTs, a little bit of BCAAs, beta-alanine, a little creatine, keto collagen, 10 grams of grass-fed collagen peptides mixed with 5 grams of MCTs to blunt the insulin response, keeping you in ketosis.
And where do people go to get this?
Where?
Where they go?
Oh, perfectketo.com.
Boom.
Boom, boom.
So we're Primal Kitchen. Most of our products, actually all of them, use avocado oil, minus the collagen protein, which is great because you can't find dressings that don't use industrial seed oils. So big health benefits here, keto friendly. We have a brand new mayo that just came out, garlic aioli. I think you will love it. I like to put a little dollop on some grass-fed beef. You can also mix it in with like a good chicken salad. It's wonderful. And lastly, we have some collagen protein, chocolate vanilla. Mixes very easily. You can do it both hot and cold. It's excellent stuff.
Where do people go to find you?
Primalkitchen.com, Amazon, Thrive Market, Whole Foods, Sprouts, among some other places. So pretty easy to
Amazing
find.
stuff.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am now with Mr. Keto Savage's booth, and if I could tell you how many people asked me if I've tried the keto brick before, it would blow your mind. So now, without further ado, I'm about to try the keto brick for the very first time.
Awesome.
Here we
Sample
go.
size, here we go.
Little sample size, I like this.
Moment of truth.
Dude, taste the crunchiness?
I like the texture.
I like the texture, good mouthfeel.
Yes, it's not hard to swallow, which is good. The flavor is
good.
nice. You got a winner, bro.
Awesome.
But I didn't expect anything less of you, bro.
Found it, man.
My
Yeah,
man.
buddy. What about you? You like it?
Dude, I've already referred like 4 people over here, man.
Yo, there's
Yeah.
a lot of calories too, because you know I'm all about eating.
1,000.
It needs the gains.
1,000.
Can be it. All right, here we are. Heads up hill.
Robert Sykes.
What's going on, man?
Good to see you, my man.
Tell me about what you got going on.
We love data, as do you.
Yeah.
And the only way to know if you're doing things right is to measure it. Body
Mhm.
composition, measurements, blood sugar, ketones. So we integrate everything in one dashboard.
Nice.
All your measurements, all your ketone data, all the lab tests from your doctor, just so you can see exactly what's happening with your body as you go keto, as you go low carb, as your body composition changes. So all in one data. That's what we do.
Where do people go to find you?
Headsuphealth.com.
Let's do it.
Thank you.
All right, here we are. What we got?
We got Alex, Michael.
All right, and the product is?
Yeah, we're from Kiss My Keto. So we are a fully ketogenic supplement and grocery brand. We have a line of supplements to add to your coffee. Everything from collagen to a complete keto meal and a shake. Keto creamer for your coffee, which is MCT powder. Keto cocoa, which is MCT powder and chocolate. A keto protein, which is our best-selling product. It has collagen, MCT powder, and a chocolate. Michael and Alex have been working really hard on our bars, which we've just relaunched.
And they're delicious.
And in peanut butter. And then we also have a pure C8 MCT oil We have Keto Energy, which is the C8 oil in a capsule with caffeine and L-theanine, soft gels, and exogenous ketones.
Where can people find you?
KissMyKeto.com.
I love it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What we got?
Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun.
What we got going on here, man?
This is the best bacon company for keto people out there right now. We have 5 products currently that are no sugar, as well as other things like kielbasa, no sugar, which is going to be simple ingredients. I don't know about you guys, but like when you go to a store and even try to get like just meat, you either get laced with brown sugar or any type of other sugar, or you also get like a laundry list of different ingredients, phosphates, sodiums that you don't even hear about. And then lastly, it's just simple ingredients. So that's why I like our products. And then if you really look for the gold standard of bacon, when you go to our shop online, simplegrocer.com, you'll actually get no sugar, non-GMO, simple ingredients, and look, we use rosemary extract and pomegranate extract. It actually reduces HCAs, which are a carcinogen that are made when you cook bacon.
And it tastes amazing.
Thank you.
I like it. I like it. Where can people find you?
You can go to petersonfarms.com. You can go to Whole Foods. We're under a different name there called Nature Rancher. And then at Sprouts or HEB, we have 5 no sugar products, including the bacon, kielbasa, hot dogs, and our breakfast spicy sausages. But last but not least, if you want, you can get literally shelf-stable bacon to take on the road. And I don't know about you guys, but jerky usually is too hard. It hurts my teeth, gets stuck in your teeth. If you're on a flight anywhere, this is the way to go for a keto snack.
I agree. It's delicious.
Exactly. Are you doing like a podcast?
Boom. Here we are, Legendary.
What's going on, guys? Josh Field of Legendary Foods, holding it down at KetoCon. As you just saw, we have a line of indulgent butters here. Our biggest thing, we don't flavor with any added sugar. There's no agave, honey, maple syrup, cane juice, cane sugar, or anything like that. So if you're low carb, if you're keto, phenomenal snacks for you guys. Check us out online, eatlegendary.com. Flavored almonds, flavored butters, get you some. Stay legendary.
They're good. All right, what we got here?
Hey guys, so we are Keto Pet and we're under the nonprofit Epigenics Foundation, and we are focused on how our daily choices impact the health of us as well as our animals. So we started with Keto Pet, which is a program based in Texas and now Los Angeles and all over the world really, where we would rescue dogs with naturally occurring forms of cancer, put them on a ketogenic diet, and these are dogs that were otherwise going to be euthanized, and we'd watch them over time. We had PET CT imaging on site, hyperbaric oxygen chamber treatments, and we've got a pretty incredible success rate. 50% of the dogs that are going through our program are living beyond their prognosis, which was a pretty powerful thing. Callie was our first graduate. She's a Vizsla, and she was 4.5 when she was diagnosed with hemangiosarcoma, which is a deadly form of cancer, the deadliest. And what we thought was a litter of puppies was 1 puppy and the rest was tumor. And we had that surgically removed. We PET scanned her on site at Keto Pet, and unfortunately it was metastasized at that point. And so we put her on a ketogenic diet, and 120 days later, she's cancer-free, and she's now 9, and still to this day enjoying life, running around. And in learning what we did at Keto Pet, we then went to try to work with humans, and we've done a variety of pilot studies alongside a few different oncologists throughout really the states. And now we're focused on education, so you can go to ketopet.org to find more information about how to formulate a diet for your dog at home, for lifestyle, for cancer, for epilepsy. We're also doing a lot of outreach on the human side as well, so we can teach the world about ketogenic nutrition and this metabolic therapy approach.
Awesome, awesome. Check them out. All right, so today we have saved the best booth for last.
That's right.
What we got going on here?
Keto break, yeah.
Well, tell me about it.
I don't have to tell you about it. Everyone already knows about it.
All right, well, it's the best one there is.
Boom.
Boom. And it's all about changing the way you think. I could stand up here, I could tell y'all all day long, like all kinds of tips and tricks on, potassium supplements and ratios and macros and all that jazz, but if you don't have the right thought process, you're not going to get it done. So the first one, give yourself permission to kick some ass. And sorry for the foul language here, but so many people are not willing to put in the work and push themselves necessary to see their body change. And they ask why nothing's working. Like they'll not, and you don't have to, I'm not telling people to be a bodybuilder. Like you don't have to be a bodybuilder if you don't want to be a bodybuilder. But if you have a goal in mind and you want to reach that goal, and you're sorting yourself every single day because you don't want to feel the pain, you don't want to feel, like hard, you don't want to feel tired. I mean, push yourself, Like the best things in life come after the hardest challenges. And that's the truth. That's everything everything I've ever succeeded in life has come after a very hard trial. And the same is true with every competition prep. Like competition prep, bodybuilding is a metaphor for life. So no matter what your chosen sport is, no matter what your passion is, work hard at it.
Okay, so where did it all begin for me? I'm incredibly lucky to have been born and raised in one of the most beautiful places in the world. New Zealand is really picturesque and we're a very outdoorsy nation. We like to hunt and fish and hike and go camping.
Alright y'all, I just got done speaking, Teresa just got done speaking, Crystal and I are about to do a fitness panel. Let's do it.
Crystal Love and Robert Keto Savage Sykes. Now,
at least 70 up to 150.
That's plenty. You can build muscle on that, no problem. No problem.
okay, the number one test to find out is, are you getting weaker on the same lifts over time?
No, I'm adding weight every month.
You build muscle.
Answer, there you go. The only thing that I would tell you is, I would say, if they were different, because it seems like everything's good. If things were like what happened with me, which was last year, I felt like one meal a day was the right thing to do, and so I was...
Alright y'all, fitness panel interview done. We got a little social mixer. Now we're gonna get something to eat after this. Alrighty y'all, we are headed to dinner. We're gonna get some barbecue with like all the crew. So I'm not gonna bring the camera there, but huge successful day, KetoCon day 2. My presentation went great. Keto, Crystal. You know you're keto and you call your girlfriend keto. Crystal's on the fitness panel was awesome. It was all just good. Very good, very good, very good. Let's get some barbecue.
This is the final clip of the vlog. I feel like I've been talking all day, standing on my feet. It was an awesome day. We did really awesome at the Keto Brick booth. Robert did an amazing job speaking today. Fun to be on the fitness panel. We are ready to crash though, so we're gonna go to bed. Good night, guys.
Good night, y'all. Ooh, she did my hand trick and everything. I'm getting proud of her. She's doing it. All right, see y'all tomorrow.